Hai. Oi. Jangan.
Menteri Kakoi Kakia ulalek banjurib yaka Civil Hospital Shillong harangkat kejensan lang Dr. A Warr upadi DHS bat Dr. Andreas Dekar upadi Joint Director bat USS ka Civil Hospital. Habakran bat kilat batai ke bor uba elhek ulong ba kecinglet jurib kadai namar balabon kijingki bapang yabit nau khlam COVID-19 bat hak juk opor ulong ba kecingmu kadai baparo kinongpang kibadon kamban yo ekjing sumar kidi ban yo nakatai hospital. Nakaliam Dr. Andreas Dekar ubadeiru usinia supernan ka Civil Hospital Shillong uloong ba kinongpang COVID kidan hadu sanpu prangot bat kiba khamsitom kidan kuma khatsaw ngod ye. Dr. Andreas lai thu ru ba ka jing kiba ki kendu kadai ka jingthia bat menta kila persanghi banbu hadu prapo artli ki jingthia bat uloong ru balada kadang kieu kan sem jing ban pendap ye ki jingthia. Katba nakaliang Dr. A Warr upadi DHS MI uloong baki babun hi ki bapang yebet yaute kunyang jingpang COVID-19 kidei ki bampat ya ketika ni injection. Bat karta ka jungki kalong substance nang cheneng. Bat hakujuk upor uloong baki bala tika kimda jurthan ya.
Nakaliang ka sarkar minta ki la A Warr ini. Kawai na banta kinong tray kamud ki command power lagin la bantung katkung ka jingdan kam hang no badan kam ngidang kata kila A Warr ini bat ngilale kumta tang ba kawai pada ka silang mangi haban kentu ya ki pa nang sungsnong ki haban tip ba kinang tray ki jongi ki batre ki hapo ki hospital hakikadan ba fer kindai bi ki ju de lada ki jing betha jang sarkar himbot kamut kin penkhia ya ka jing tray ka jong ki health workers ki jongi ki batrai haki jaka sumar kabar ke bangi menta bangan ban biang saisin ki basitam ni haki hospital barakat ki dei kitu ki bakam ai vaccination kadba kini ki bayo vaccination kam dak tajur yaki ndai ka hamjur ki dei kitu ki bakam pat yo vaccination ya kata ngong yaki substance nem sejram ka immunity jong kini ki substance siapo kadang klan yele hikat bala atama wat la kataru nim kensting namangi kidan katukan ni ki badan ba kiwe ki jingpang bat ki bamdan jingpang ru kani ka khlam ka bamenta ka ktalut napang
iko awan page na menta ka COVID situation ada juga poru berpage ka review ya ka position juga COVID patient but kiwe de kinomar patient ru hang ni possible hospital kejungan kejungi sini kadi kejung temu kanang ba inimla noong ba in page tangi ki COVID patient ya page ru ya ki normal patient ki badan hang ni kum ki cancer patient ki memberi bentuk ya kejung chakri kejung ai kejung chakri ya ki juga poru kiwe bade ki nongpang belum normal aju ko por one page ang ni bakumdo ka kejinglong jung COVID situation ni kumbala itu dari Dr. Andreas ni dari medical superintendent jung Shillong Civil Hospital dari DHS MI yang ni ya ke detail jung ki jinglong jingman jung COVID position ang ni ke itu ada kalian jung ni
dan sangut ki case ki bang ibu akademik building dan naki ki ba long serious ru te ngidan sifungut pada ketika nila extend ketika new building te total ngidan mentasan pu prangut kinongpang bat kendian ngun naki kumbakat sangut ki kham sistem jure mentasi te kini kira latest position ha ngidan bun ki bdang wan test ka ni ga jaka jungi dan kitu ki ba ngiyo positive ndre ki ba chu khamda sitam ani chu sitam lumala ka bangi onki a bat b ngidang khana ki shaki home isolation ditang itu ki ba serious pantam kitu ki bi ki badan kormorbid ki badan kum ka bapang sini bat ki jingpang hypertension bat ki jingpang dan ngibu lang ki hang ni ndre kitu ki ba ndon ye ba sudan tak jingset mulumala ni jorha mulumala dan ngipha na ki si yang benda home isolation so ki challenge ki bang yo kade ban kong ka lack of space ngidon jingthia total menhakani ngidon kum ba sau pho tementang ila increase khandiat akan ni building but hangtai hakwe ngidon kemba sau pho hi nginangi ban create te total kami kemba prapu ar di TIA yang ni rebat kani ka search ke bami menta langin dang la ne ban takil bat ya ni ka bed capacity taring dang sedang banile ban penhe But ngasain lada kadan sisa ka search pada ngin ham approach ke government ke ke banding le pada. Mo right kumba la ong isa mentan bangin khang ke ni ka wai ka building ru ngim not amar ba ngi dan ki nang pang ki dan ki kham tam hang ni bangi radiotherapy chemotherapy te ngi bon ba ki cancer patient ru te ki dan ki nang pang badan ko jing pang takadaw ngim not ban khang ke ni kanan covid site ni dang function ya du mentah.
Ni la shim mi garai apo ka jingalam jogu chief minister jogi kubu chairman ba ke borok jidor kam nadu ki oxygen nadu ki jingthia ban penbun ni jingthia dam tau covid ila ong baria banya bi kaman yimdi basange DHS do dang ni ila ban khatai kham janai kham details ya ke jidor kam jogga hospital banagal yang sarkar ngi ong baria bi kaman yimdi ban bu no nu jinge na bunta kitu gi nongpang ibawan ban sha sumar hagni ka hospital
Baya kijentia ban penbun ya kijaka ajik sumar nagaliang ka sarkar ta asim kilat kata ban penbun ya corona care center kum ka civil hospital kadang dai tang sau phojung thia ndrai ta ka jing trai sitam nagaliang jong gidang penya ke hospital kinang trai jong hospital kilala ban penbun kita kijentia Kenang ban ai kating sumar ya gini ki bashitam but kimman si ban kendria apat ya kinong pang syakatai ki building but ban ai kating sumar ya kini ki balham kat hangtai ki hospital ki ba ni kwa ban penbun jintia ka dei hapo TB Saudi bat kan kelakum ke covid hospital kitu ka kam kadang ya sprang nomor boros kata ka dei corona care center mentang kwa an pelong ka covid hospital Sispa jintia bangin dan kambun jintia tang naman tak kimi bat ki kelung apo ganesh das kataru sispa jintia hakatu kan ni building ka ba thamai manta kam kadang ya cha bat penbun ya ki cylinder nam tak oxygen kataru nakalyang sarkar ngidang ya touch bon penbiang cylinder penbiang ka oxygen bat ni sokeman bapet hakani ke building menta hakani hai ke covid war ka nakaliang ka sarkar kami kala ai ngi ka oxygen generator but shen ka tu oxygen generator nakalawan hakani ka yeng ka bagla adap sna menta ngin bu hang ni kani kan fit ya kani ka covid war hang ni kumjuru apo ganesh das nakaliang ka sarkar kami kala ai ke oxygen generator RPHS hospital nongpo civil hospital, Tura civil hospital, Juwai civil hospital, but mentang ila peteng sakiwe di district hospital warfat, ibawan na UNDP, but na po UNICEF. Kasi kun kadang yat, udah kenyang ru, udang yat hamat. Tingi kentu yang sufficient, but nimong yang sufficient. I'll tell one more time. Your safest place is your home. Kajaka kabasingantam kajong fi, kadai gajing kajong fi. What numi sabar lada film don't come out unnecessarily if you don't have to come out. The more you come out, the more you give a chance for this virus to spread. The more you stay inside, go for a self-lockdown. Don't wait for the government to lock down. Self-lockdown, self-discipline. That is what is needed at this hour. And with that, we'll be able to combat this pandemic and this particular wave now. We have got all the support from the government. We have got all the support from the Rangba Shnong, the Nong Sanchar Shnong CM. We are very grateful. And as part of the health team, our only appeal to the public is help us to help you. Follow the protocols, follow the SOPs, and be part of the fight together with us.
Ini aku beli ye ki doktor ki bela try situ men mi sistem dia tinggi doktor ki nurse but baru health workers, they are working very hard day and night 24/7. We are really grateful and thankful to them. That's why we want here to motivate our doctor. We want to encourage them to build confidence in our health workers, particularly the doctor, nurse and all the health workers in this hospital.
The situation, as we have already told, is grim. And to overturn this situation, our health workers are going full swing 24/7, and unnecessarily don't tire them. This will pass. It will pass with your help and with our help. Together we can make it, and we will sail through. As of now, as I already said, the situation is not good, and once we say that from our side, we mean that it is not good, and to stay inside your house, your homes, where it is the safest place. If you come out, you spread, you will be spreading not only to your neighbors, but inside your own house. When you come out, the 3 cardinal instructions which we have already given all this time: mask, now we are wearing double mask, sanitization, and social distancing. These are still the key points, and these are the 3 things which will help contain the spread. No, see, the benefits or the effects of the lockdown we will not see immediately. This lockdown we have done now to contain the spread now, but what has already happened is showing up now because of what happened in the past 2-3 weeks. It's showing now. With this lockdown, we are very confident that by next week cases will come down. And one more time I will say that these things are not possible with human effort alone. It is with God's grace, and we believe. This is a place where we believe. We have a very strong belief. Each and every household in their own faiths are putting their prayers, are offering their prayers in their own faiths. And with that, we are very confident that God will be with us always.